We are South Wales Fire and Rescue Service, and this is some of what we do. We help you to keep your home safe. We work with our communities. We educate the future generation. We work with partners to reduce deliberate fires. We protect you. We work to reduce deaths and injuries on our roads. We work with you to keep your business safe. We protect you through home safety checks. We respond to many different emergencies, such as those involving transport, water and flooding. We help to look after your environment. We provide many services that you might not be aware of. We rescue animals and people, very often using line rescue equipment. We fight fires. We rescue you. We are South Wales Fire and Rescue Service, and this is some of what we do.